the people who are winning are not the ones reading the most. They are the ones understanding faster and applying what they learn quicker. If you are still learning the old way, you are wasting time. Most people buy courses, they watch courses, they buy books, they read books, they finish it and still feel like they learned nothing. You take notes, you rewatch the videos, and somehow the information just doesn't stick. And that's not a you problem, that's a learning method problem. So I'm going to show you this free Google AI tool that I use to learn better and implement faster. And this AI tool is called Notebook LM. It's completely free and made by Google. You just go to notebooklm.google.com. That's for the web version, or you can download the app from your Android Apple Store or from your Apple App Store. So when you open the app or the web version, you can sign in with your Google account. That's if you're not signed in already. And you're going to click on create new note. When you click on create new note, you click create notebook. So when you click create notebook, you're going to see options here. And as you can see here, we have upload files, website, drive, copy text. If you already copied the text, you can click on copy text and paste your text here. But for this video, we are going to be using the YouTube link I copied. So I'm going to paste this YouTube link here. So this YouTube link here is not just a random YouTube link. This is a YouTube link of a video I watched and would like to implement. So be intentional about this. Don't just copy random resources. This should be resources you are learning from and you would like to implement, be it from YouTube, from a course you bought, or a material or a lesson you wrote out, maybe from a live training. So I'm going to paste the link. This is the YouTube link, and I'm going to click insert. Now we are going to wait for Notebook LM. Okay, now at first it will give you a summary of what you pasted, and you can go ahead to ask questions, and you can even see prompts of questions to ask, or you can click here and enter your own custom question based on what you would like to know about that particular topic or about that particular resource you are learning from. Now I can tell this AI tool to summarize the key important points. I can tell the AI tool to summarize the key important points, and it's going to summarize and give me the key things I need to know from this particular video. And I can go ahead to ask it to give me implementation plan for this, and it will go ahead to give me an implementation plan for this particular video. And the most interesting thing about this AI tool is the audio feature. Okay, so I can ask this AI tool to turn the entire resource material into a podcast. That's two AI hosts actually discussing and explaining your content like a real conversation, and you can listen while you are cooking, while you are commuting, or while you are doing anything. So to achieve that, you just click on this audio feature here for this AI tool to turn your resource into a podcast. When you click audio feature, when you come down, you can see it's already generating the audio, and it says you should come back in a few minutes. And aside the audio feature, there's also the video feature for this. Okay, when you click on the video feature, then it can also turn the content, the YouTube video, or the resource, or the lesson notes you pasted into explainer videos for you. Okay, so when you click when you come here, you can write any question you want to focus, you want the explainer video to focus on. All right, as you can see, it's giving you some prompts you can get ideas from. Okay, so let's say it should focus on implementation plan. Then we click generate. So the audio and the videos they are generating. Okay, so this is how you can learn faster in 2026. So you can just stop consuming and you start understanding and implementing whatever you are learning, because if you learn without implementing, you are as good as people who are not learning. It's only when you learn and implement that's how you stay ahead. And also, instead of watching the same video 3 times hoping to for the video to stick, you can upload to Notebook LM and ask questions, and Notebook LM will do the heavy lifting for you. And that's how you learn anything faster in 2026. Try this with one thing we have been trying to learn or trying to implement, and tell me what happens in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical AI and marketing videos.